Well, today's project's another thing about Chryslers. This time it's about PCV valves and why you have that mysterious oil disappearing. Part source carries these $5 pieces. Very cheap and easy to change. I'll show you how to do it. Well, if you're like me and you got the 2.7 liter, it's very easy to find. Just goes along this tube here, and it's right there. Very simple. So all you do is give this a yank, comes off, and grab a wrench. So grab your 3/4 or your 19 mil. Break it free. Well, you learn something new every day. Can you guess which one's the older one? Guess it's kind of obvious. Looks like a fouled spark plug. Pretty sludgy. Guess it's no surprise for these damn 2.7s. Oh well, very simple. Good and snug. I'll just pop this thing back on. Done. Now start your engine.